Would you like to learn how to use your fear for growth? Hi, my name is Carrina Lau, personal transformation coach. Today is solar eclipse where the earth, moon, and sun aligned. We often face fears when our goal and dreams aligned. This is normal. You can overcome it and even make it as a growth opportunity. Here is how. Number 1, acknowledge it. I used to think being afraid and admitting my fears was a sign of weakness. The truth is, what we resist persists. By naming our fears, we can diminish the power over us and start taking action to transform them. Number 2, reframe it. I broke my eardrum from cleaning with a Q-tip one afternoon when I was young. Since then, it has been super painful when I get into the water and the water gets into my ear. Therefore, I developed a fear of swimming and even afraid being in the water. My mind was trying to protect me from the water getting into my ear. So behind every fear is just a protection. Number 3, face it. The only way to overcome the fear is to face it dead on. So I faced my fear of swimming by taking swimming lessons. Having a coach by my side, I knew I would be saved. I ended up enjoying swimming so much that I swim on my own sometime after the coaching session was over. One of my mentors said, whatever we want in life is often on the other side of our fears. Fear often manifests as stress, which can hinder our minds from staying calm and preventing us from getting a good night's sleep. If you're struggling to enjoy quality sleep at night due to stress, give Dreamscape a try. Dreamscape is a relaxing hypnosis meditation that I've created recently. It is designed to put you to sleep effortlessly and almost instantly. You can click here now for instant access and start experiencing a night of restful sleep.